Everyone's worst nightmare, an expensive trip to the mechanic. Today you can troubleshoot your car yourself. I will test this tool today, the VdiagTool D200. Let's see what this thing can do. I got this package in the mail today. Let's open it and see what's in it. It's a good thing to have if you have a car. You can save hundreds of dollars. So let's see what's in it. This is the VdiagTool D200, and it's not just a scanning tool for error codes. It can do that, but it also can reach everything in your car. We're gonna look into this soon. First we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Oh, you actually got a nice case in here, and it's nothing more there. It's a hard case, and I should say they have sent this tool to me for free. But I'm free to do whatever I want with it, and I will test it for you and see if it's worth the money. And if you actually want to buy it, I have a discount code down below. I will read the manual later, and we will do some tests on different cars and see what we actually can do. This thing you connect with Bluetooth to your phone. But let's see what's actually in it. Right, something fell out there. Oh, it's the Bluetooth. No, it's not just an adapter. Oh, this is just an USB to USB-C adapter. And we got an USB-C cable. Let's open it. USB. How long is this? It's, I will say it's almost 2 meters, 180 or something. USB cable, adapter. You got some instructions. Oh, really small text there. Need glasses for that one. And this is some registration, I think. And here we actually got the tool. The tool itself. Yes. Nice package there. Really nice. This is how it looks. I haven't seen it before myself. You have some connection there. I'm going to connect this to my phone now and see how much I understand without reading the manual. Later I'm going to read the manual and see so I understand all the future and can show you. I'm also going to do tests on different cars and tell you what I think about this product. App Store and download the app. Then I need to connect my phone to the tool. Scan the QR code over here. Let's bring a car in here. I have an other car here we should take a look at. This one we will take. Let's see if it starts. Maybe it starts, maybe not. Of course it starts. Oh, it stopped again. I took this car because it's easier for you to see if we get the roof off. So let's do that. First I will connect the battery charger so I don't drain the battery once we play around here. Let's connect the tool. On this car it's just right here. We actually have some error codes on this car. And I know what it is. I have replaced this sensor earlier, but I haven't deleted the error codes because I didn't have the equipment before. So this is very helpful to have this equipment now. And even if you should buy a car, it's good to look up the car before, so you don't buy a car that has some hidden things going around. So check out the error codes before you buy a car. And who am I? I'm Henrik from Sweden. I've been working professionally on cars since 1993. I worked a lot on Ford and Volvos and a couple of other brands. Over the years I've been working a lot with the brand's own troubleshooting instruments. So that's my background. And let's see how this device compares to the big brands. Now I will check for live data to see if the sensor is working. So I just select what I want to see. Now I just clear the error codes here. Clear. Yes. Then you can do a self-test here as well. You can hear the car do lots of things. I can even see safety bulletins on cars, so it's a really good thing when you're buying a car. I will test it on another car now. Let's see, I have another car here. Check this one. Somewhere under. Yes, it's under here. Let's see what we can do on this car. We take auto detect. It's easy. Let's see, do an auto scan. It found the VIN number, and I chose Subaru, and we chose Europe, and here we have the car. Yes, it's the right car. And we do an auto scan. Green, 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 green. You can see here going through every system in the car. Oh, we have something here. Some trouble codes. Yes, this tire pressure we can check out. Tire pressure. These wheels we have on right now is not calibrated. Read faulty codes. Yes, here we have them. What can we do more on this car? Can we do some special functions? And that was all what I had today. I will do a follow-up video later when I have tested this tool a lot more. Let's do some diagnostic on this one. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.